Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you along for a day in my life. So my day started with a refreshing morning walk. On my way back home I picked up groceries required for the day. Once I got home it was time for some chai. My husband and I love our morning ritual of sipping chai together and catching up. It's such a peaceful way to start the day. So while having chai, we both decided to have Maggi for breakfast as we both were busy with our office work. So this is my version of Maggi, which I call it as Tadka Maggi. I add a secret ingredient to my Maggi, and that is chicken bouillon powder. It makes Maggi really nice and soupy. I would recommend you to try this recipe, and do let me know in comment section if you like this recipe or if you have any other secret Maggi recipe. I would love to give it a shot. And after breakfast my husband got ready and left to his work. After that I started my office work. I checked all my mails and completed few of my daily activities. In between of my work, I took a short break to do the laundry. And for lunch, I made scrambled eggs with rice topped with furikake seasoning, which is a mixture of seaweed and sesame seeds. And then along with it, I made some sauteed capsicum on the side. It was such a simple and satisfying meal. Post lunch, it was back to work. I managed to wrap everything up by evening. In the evening, I made myself a cup of coffee and enjoyed with an episode of Going 17. And my dinner was same as my lunch, nothing different. I ended my day with a relaxing bath and my nighttime skincare routine. And that's a wrap on my day. I hope you enjoyed tagging along. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.